Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to delete a Clockify account. So let's start first by opening your Clockify or login with your existing Clockify account. And we are now here in the homepage of Clockify. And in Clockify, it's so hard to find the option that you need to permanently delete our Clockify account. But there's a way in deleting our Clockify account, and that is with the help of Google. All we need to do is to search on google.com delete Clockify account and scroll down a little bit and click the second link, which is the clockify.me, in which it will lead you to this site. All you need to do is to click the blue highlighted link and it will proceed to your Clockify account. And to permanently delete it, all you need to do is to click the delete my account button. After clicking the delete button, it will lead you to this confirmation, in which you need to type the word delete in all uppercase and click continue. And the last step is to select the reason why you want to delete your account. So that's it. If you wanted to know how to delete a Clockify account, that is the easiest way I know. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and see you on our next video.